rail simulation software, has transformed the way railways are planned and operated. It enables users to create accurate simulation models that provide valuable insights into the operation of railway systems and logistics networks. Planimate is a discrete event simulation software that offers a wide range of features for modeling all facets of a rail system. It is user-friendly and flexible, making it an ideal tool for rail professionals who need to simulate rail operations and make data-driven decisions. The software offers technical support and expertise to help users make the most of its features, including assistance with programming and input-output processing, as well as the ability to customize simulation models to meet specific requirements. Planimate models are easy to navigate and present the user with all the required data to configure their rail network. Planimate models also display the simulation in a 2D animation, to let you view the interactions on the track and at the terminals. Planimate can model complex railway systems for both freight and passenger train networks. This includes various types of rolling stock, railway infrastructure, and business rules. It can also simulate different scenarios, such as changes to the network, rolling stock, or maintenance and constraints, to let you test and compare performance under different operating conditions. Detailed nodes can also be created, such as depots, mines, or ports, to extend the simulation further into the supply chain. Planimate is an ideal tool for rail engineers, planners, data analysts and other professionals who need to simulate rail operations and make data-driven decisions. With its user-friendly interface and technical support, it provides a powerful platform for modeling railway systems and many other supply chain operations. Interdynamics has been creating rail models since 1992, and our developer team is ready to help. Contact us to discuss your requirements.